The guide is about buying Solana meme coins that you can't buy on crypto exchanges, where you usually buy other cryptos such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. You will need a Solana wallet called Phantom. We will be using this wallet because it's super easy and works well with Solana. Here's something important to know before following the steps to buying your Solana meme coins. Meme coins can be risky. During the bear market or at any time, they can drop by 90% or more, so please keep in mind before deciding to invest in meme coins. If you haven't installed a Solana wallet yet, don't worry. You can use our guide in this video description on how to use Solana wallet before following the steps in this video. Before we go through the steps, note, if you are connecting Ledger Nano to Phantom Wallet for the first time, please ensure that blind signing is enabled. Additionally, make sure there is enough Solana in your wallet. Step 1. Go to CoinGecko.com and search for the meme coin you would like to buy, for example, Bonk. Step 2. On the coin page, scroll down to the info section and copy the contract address. Step 3. Go to Radium.io swap. Step 4. Click the Connect Wallet button and select Phantom Wallet. Step 5. Under the To section, click the Ray icon and you will see a similar screen to the one in this video. Step 6. In the search name or mint address input box, paste the contract address that was copied in Step 2. Note you can also use the search box to search the meme coin. Some newly created Solana meme coins may not show up, so we recommend using the contract address. Step 7. Click and select the meme coin under the token section. Step 8. Enter the amount of Bonk meme coin you would like to buy and click the swap button to buy. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.